Hey there, welcome back to channel. Well, we know that the Google event on the 4th October and launched the Pixel 8, 8 Pro and Pixel Watch 2 and more Google product. But the Google Pixel 8 Pro is special because it comes with new hardware and software support. So here are the top 10 changes the Google Pixel will be a special. First, the DAX support like Samsung. The base Samsung device have DAX mode to turn on your phone into a mini PC. Next, a flat display. If Google Pixel Pro family had a curved display, but the Pixel 8 Pro could be interesting with a flat display. Next is the sensor. The Pixel 8 Pro could come with a new feature that's not quickly common found on phone. Upcoming Pixel flagship will have a built-in temperature sensor. Next, for video, the Pixel 8 series to use new sensor for night side camera, software with improved low light recording. Next, the audio magic eraser feature used to remove unwanted noise from the video clip. Next, brighter display. The Pixel 7 Pro model comes with 1000 peak brightness, but the Google Pixel 8 goes up to 1400 peak brightness and the Pixel 8 Pro goes up to 1600 peak brightness. Next, video unblur feature. Pixel 8 series come with video unblur tool for videos. Next, better software support. Pixel 8 series could be get iPhone-like software support. It's like 5 years OS support. Next, camera sensor upgrade. The Google Pixel 8 series come with new camera sensor. At the last, the Google Pixel 8 series come with Wi-Fi 7 supported. So that's about the Pixel 8 Pro 10 changes. So today video about that. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.